Okay, so you are really excited to try one of these, Anya. Which one are you excited to try? The strawberries. That's one of my favorites. Because I remember actually having freeze-dried strawberries in Special K cereal, which I could not find. I don't know if they still make Special K with the strawberries, but I really, really like those strawberries. So I'm curious how close they taste to Special K. So you pick one out there.
No, I like the big one.
A big one, hey? Okay, let's see.
The little tart.
Yeah, I feel like these would be really, really nice in like a cereal or something. Okay, we'll just do this one. Really, really nice in a cereal.
Really tart.
They're tart. They taste like strawberries.
Huh?
Does it taste like a strawberry?
I do not know.
You tell the camera what you're thinking as you.
No, those are
It's just really tart.
those are pretty good. I took a little bit bigger one, and I feel like often with the freeze-dried things, I like them just a little bit smaller just because they are so dry. But definitely like putting this in a bowl of cereal. One of my ideas was like just do a bunch of freeze-dried berries and then just throw them in your cereal in the morning, and it'd be such a really quick, healthy snack. Or like healthy breakfast, rather. This one's a lot better. So this one was a thinner slice, so it's a lot better, whereas the whole one was just a bit more to get into my mouth. So what's nice about these, again, is that I just bought a bag of already pre-frozen, pre-washed, cut up, everything strawberries. So we literally just dumped these on the freeze-dry tray and put them straight in. And at 18 hours, they beeped, and I think we had to put some of the fruit on for a little bit longer, but they were pretty good. So, yeah, and what the other thing I like about this is that if you're wanting to do some just really quick, healthy, easy snacks for travel or just even after school snacks or like even like school lunches or anything like that, to just grab a already frozen bag, throw it in your freeze dryer, and freeze it is so easy. But the other part of that is that when you're off season, like right now, strawberries are really, really expensive because we're not in our strawberry season. And so if you just buy a bag of frozen strawberries, they are often cheaper than buying the fresh ones as well. And then you don't have to do all the work. So I feel like this would be really good to like grinding up and powdering in a smoothie. So I'd really like to try that. Or putting it on top of, actually even that on top of like a cupcake, like a sprinkles. We just grind it up and put it on top like a sprinkle.
Caden's cake.
I think that would be really good too. As like as a topper instead of sprinkles. Okay. We're gonna be nice manners in the camera. Okay. So, which one are you wanting to do next? This is freeze-dried watermelon. Again, this is pre-frozen, so I'm kind of curious just because it looks a little bit lighter than what our normal watermelon would look, but we'll see.